Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Explorishing adventure. The video you're about to watch here was a pretty cool day we had on the water. We went down to one of our favorite places. You've actually seen a couple of videos from this place. But when we got down there, we found out that the whole place was flooded. The whole forest was flooded, and it gave me some ideas. Sometimes things go on up in here, once in a while. But what you're going to see is a pretty cool day. We got some good fish. I'll probably have to split up into a couple days because we really did good. I hope you really like this one because I had a lot of fun with it. We'll see you later. All right, well, hey everybody. Sorry got a late start here on you, but just got a nice crappie. Water was high, so we weren't quite sure what we're going to be getting into. I made a few casts. We have caught another smaller crappie, a couple bluegills, so we're going to start rolling here. Hopefully we won't miss the next one for you guys. Kind of talk you through some of the things I'm doing. Got cold water, we've had a lot of rain, water's up. So I'm starting off throwing a little tiny lipless crankbait, just hopping along, searching for fish. So far it's been working, so let's see what we can get. I turn my back. Not a bad one. Was that on the minnow?
Yeah.
Nice.
Casting around a minnow.
Good stuff. Good job, Hammer. Alright, that's why I just got that crappie on. A little 1-inch golden black lipless. Don't usually have a lot of luck on them, but certain days it draws the fish out. Hammer's on again. Another gill. They're not bad, but not quite. Ooh.
Yeah, he's not living.
Yeah, that one's choked. We may add that one just because we have to.
Oopsie.
Get a lot of them down this way. Let me throw the lipless through here while you're doing that.
I feel bad.
See if I can't pull out a bigger one or one of his other panfish cousins. Oh, I don't know if that was a stick or what that was. Something hit on the way down, maybe. Oh gosh, that got whopped. Oh my god. That thing got smashed. Definitely a bluegill though, because he missed it. But there we go. Get out of there. Oh, he's not even that. Oh, it's a perch. Yeah, little perch. Pretty little guy. Look at that. Well, my first perch on a lipless. So, bear with my wader noise here if I can get into my pocket. Just a mile down.
Exactly how we...
That's a good sign right here. This is actually one of the main things we come here looking for. But it's been tough since Hurricane Florence. They haven't quite been what they used to be. Oh, there's one. Little gill. Find some active ones on the lipless. Not big. Can't believe when that small hit it. I should believe it. I've seen him hit some crazy things. Why does it feel like you guys are crooked? It's a good little setup for this. It feels awesome. This is the 7-foot TFO trout and panfish ultralight. Cast King Sharky 3 1000. Cast Pro braid. Awesome little feel for jigging and all around ultralight fishing. don't know if I've ever used a setup that's quite so versatile as this is. As you can see, it works great for my pan fishing, but I've caught some really nice bass on it. This spring we got that big carp. Went about probably pushing 20 pounds. Throwing 3-inch jerk baits, bobber fishing, jigging. You know, I've used a lot of rods that are kind of specialty area rods, but this setup here is just probably the most versatile setup I've ever used. Taken it to Iowa, caught walleye over 20 inches on it. Drop shotting. Don't know what I did without it. Haven't run any snappers down this way, but should be something. I'll have to come back through a little bit with a soft plastic or a minnow. Work these snags a little better. And for doing that, I've got another 7-foot TFO trout and panfish rod. Already rigged up with a jig. Whoa. Net, please. Oh, there's one. It's not big. Fish. Oh, he's all right. Big. It's got to be a bluegill. Yeah. Actually, not a bad one. Let's go see if he'll make the cut. Pretty though. Look at those bars on that copper nose. You can see that very good. Get some light for you. I'm an idiot, so bear with me. Didn't bring the bump board, but this works too. Oh yeah, he's a 9-incher. Okay. We're gonna have ourselves a little fish fry. Ironically, until this year, I haven't really had any luck with a lipless crankbait. Picked a few fish up here and there. Used to fish it in the creeks in Iowa a little bit. I'd pick a few smallmouth on them. But really, never really had a lot of luck with them. The other day, unfortunately, we didn't have the camera set up to go and picked up a couple nice ones. A couple big crappie. A damselfly. Ramber's forktail flying around. Tough guy. Oh, there we go. There's a crappie. Nice one. Get up here. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Oh, he stuck the poop out of me. Look at that. Nibbling the lipless. I'll come back over here so I pick up another one. Alright, any chance I can do that a second time? Well, technically third time. Ripping lips. Well, we're not getting a bunch of species right now, but we're getting the right ones. Oh, is that a fish? That is a fish. Little guy. Well, he just mushed it. He didn't even jump on it that hard. Ouch. It's spiking me. There you go. Go get bigger. Oh, okay. That's another little one. 2 in a row. Hey. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he's not going anywhere. He's in the leaves. Here, buddy. To be completely honest, I can't even tell you what made me think of throwing this thing today. I guess the higher water, cold temperatures, usually the water temperature drops, lipless has become a little more effective. In other parts of the world anyway. So I thought with the current, a little bit of weight, tighter wobble, seems to be working. Tried some suspending stuff earlier, didn't have a lot of luck with it. Just kind of a surprise because around here it's usually... Ooh, there's another one. Little guys. That's a bluegill. That's a wee little bluegill. Pretty bars on them though. Ouch. Why is everything hurting me today? There he is. There he is. A little better, but not a keeper. These are all the size of those other two. We'd be having a heck of a day already. This is normally a forest. Today it's a river. I kind of want to go over there and cast. Do I really want to wade through that though? That is the question. I've got to be right under the... Oh, there's one. Not that big. It's got to be a bluegill. Digging. Yep. Not bad. Not a big one though. Ouch. Sorry for hooking you in the eyeball, bud. It was not my intention. How did you even do that? Uh-oh. We in trouble. No! Sadness. Sadness. Oh, that's way too deep to wade out to, too. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's over 6 foot deep right there. Come on, pull out. Oh, nope. Sadness. Alright, well that's not really the way you want to end a video, is it? But don't worry, there's more to come. We had a lot of fun this day and had a couple more tricks up my sleeve, so stay tuned. Catch you later on the next Explorishing adventure.
Have a good day with Exploration Adventures.